For homeowners in Gainesville, replacing old, drafty windows isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's an opportunity to improve comfort, lower energy bills, and make your home more eco-friendly. With the right energy-efficient window replacements, you can enjoy a cooler home in summer, a warmer one in winter, and year-round savings. Why energy efficiency matters in Gainesville. Gainesville's humid subtropical climate brings hot, muggy summers and cooler, damp winters, which means your HVAC system works hard to maintain indoor comfort. Old or poorly insulated windows allow air leaks, solar heat gain, and unnecessary energy loss, causing utility bills to spike. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows reduces heat transfer, minimizes drafts, and helps keep indoor temperatures consistent, while lowering strain on your heating and cooling systems. Top energy-efficient window replacement option. When choosing new windows for your Gainesville home, look for features and materials designed to perform well in a humid, sunny climate. Double and triple pane windows. Multiple panes of glass with an insulating gas, usually argon or krypton, provide a thermal barrier. This prevents hot summer air from entering and keeps warm air inside during cooler months. Triple pane windows offer maximum insulation, though double pane models are often more cost-effective. Low E, low emissivity. Glass low-E coatings are microscopically thin layers of metal oxide applied to the glass. They reflect infrared heat while letting in natural light, meaning you can enjoy bright interiors without excess heat. This feature also blocks harmful UV rays, protecting furniture and flooring from fading. Vinyl or fiberglass frames. Both materials resist warping, rotting, and swelling in Gainesville's humid conditions. Vinyl frames are low maintenance and affordable, while fiberglass offers superior durability and insulation. Casement and awning windows. These styles open outward and seal tightly when closed, preventing air leaks. Their design also allows for excellent ventilation on cooler days without compromising efficiency. ENERGY STAR certified windows. Look for the ENERGY STAR label, which guarantees that your windows meet or exceed performance standards for your region. Benefits beyond energy saving. While reducing energy bills is the most obvious advantage, Gainesville homeowners will also enjoy other key benefits. Improved comfort. Say goodbye to cold drafts in winter and stifling hotspots in summer. Noise reduction. Multi-pane glass and quality seals block outside noise from traffic or nearby activities. Condensation control. Modern windows reduce moisture buildup, lowering the risk of mold growth. Enhanced curb appeal. Stylish designs and finishes improve your home's look and resale value. Professional installation makes all the difference. Even the most energy-efficient windows won't perform well if they're improperly installed. A professional installer ensures your new windows are level, securely fitted, and fully sealed, eliminating gaps that could compromise performance. They'll also help you choose the right type and style for your home's architecture and Gainesville's climate. Long-term savings and ROI. Replacing windows is an investment, but the return on investment, ROI, is substantial. According to industry data, homeowners can recoup a significant portion of the cost through energy savings, increased property value, and reduced maintenance expenses. Plus, you'll enjoy the intangible benefits of a more comfortable, healthier home environment. Final thoughts for Gainesville residents: energy-efficient window replacement is one of the smartest home improvements you can make. By choosing high-quality materials, modern glazing technologies, and expert installation, you'll enjoy lower utility bills, better comfort, and enhanced curb appeal, all while reducing your environmental impact. If your current windows are drafty, hard to operate, or showing signs of age, now is the time to explore your replacement options. With the right energy-efficient windows, your Gainesville home will be more comfortable and cost-effective for years to come.